watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today I'm here with you with the direction video. So guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, the Instagram ID will be GermanGyan, which you can see here. So follow that. On that we have uploaded one reel of directions. So we are having the vocabulary there for particular directions. So in this YouTube video, we have tried to use that vocabulary. As you can see, the link I will be giving you below for the Instagram reel which we have uploaded for the direction vocabulary. So we will be using that vocabulary in this video to ask the questions, that how we can ask the question using particularly that word or that direction, answer the sentences, how we have to frame the sentences for all the directions. So on your request, we are having this different type of video for you. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. I hope you're gonna learn a lot. I hope you will be practicing more. In case you are looking forward for the German language classes, then GermanGyan provides you A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, all the level classes. Exam preparation is included with the course. In case you are only doing exam preparation, that is different. In case you are doing only interview preparation, that is different. Teacher training program is also there. In case you want any help related to German language, Germany, traveling to Germany, air tickets, air flights, tour packages, anything, then GermanGyan is a one-stop solution for you. I hope you know that. Without wasting time, let's get started. And please guys, do subscribe this channel, and please do have your copy and pen with you so that you can also practice, you can also make your own notes, and you can be the master of this particular direction, how to frame sentences, how to ask, and so on. Let's begin.
Here are some ready metals which you can use while having a conversation with your friends or with your family regarding directions. Ich biege links ab, vor dem Abbiegen muss man blinken. Ich fahre durch den Tunnel. Ich fahre an dem Park vorbei. Jakob geht nach rechts oder links.
Entschuldigung, können Sie mir kurz helfen? Ich suche diese Adresse.
Zuerst fahren Sie 200 Meter rechts, dann sehen Sie eine Ampel. An der Ampel fahren Sie nach links, danach sehen Sie die Kindergarten auf der linken Seite.
Bitte, wie komme ich auf die Autobahn?
Es ist nicht weit von hier. Fahren Sie geradeaus und biegen Sie an der zweiten Ampel rechts ab. Biegen Sie danach an der Ecke des Buchladens links ab und Sie sehen die Autobahn.
Entschuldigen Sie, können Sie mir helfen? Ich suche das Rathaus.
Natürlich, das Rathaus ist nicht weit von hier. Gehen Sie geradeaus bis zur nächsten Ampel. Biegen Sie dann links ab und es wird auf der rechten Seite sein.
Vielen Dank. Ist es weit von hier?
Nein, es ist nicht weit. Sie werden es in etwa 5 Minuten zu Fuß erreichen.
Gut zu wissen. Dankeschön. Entschuldigung, wissen Sie, ob es in der Nähe eine Apotheke gibt?
Ja, gibt es. Da gehen Sie hier links, dann gehen Sie 200 Meter geradeaus. Dort können Sie die Apotheke finden.
So guys, how was the video? I hope you have loved it. I know that you are already showering a lot of love on GermanGyan YouTube channel. Thank you so very much. And guys, stay tuned for the more videos because we are coming up with a very great new type, new series, new attractive videos, new concept videos. I hope you're gonna love it. In case you have any doubt for particular anything, then you can comment down below, or if you have any request for the new videos, then please do comment down, or you can DM me on my Instagram ID, and ID you can see it here. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with GermanGyan. Take care. Cheers.